In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft OneNote page. First, a quick reality check so you know what to expect. OneNote no longer lets you share a single page by itself. If you try to share a page, OneNote will either share the entire notebook that contains it or require that the other person already has access to that notebook. So the key is choosing the best way to let someone see your page's content without accidentally exposing more than you intend. If you're comfortable giving access to the whole notebook, the most straightforward approach is to share the notebook. Open the notebook that contains the page, click the Share button near the top of OneNote, add the email addresses of the people you want to invite, choose whether they can view or edit, and click Send. They'll receive a link to the notebook. Let them know the page title and, if helpful, the section name so they can navigate right to it. If you prefer not to send invites, you can generate a shareable link for viewing or editing and paste that link into your own message. Use View Only if you want to prevent changes, and keep in mind that sharing a notebook gives access to all pages inside it. If you'd rather not share the notebook at all, send a static snapshot of the page. The cleanest way is to export the page as a PDF. On the desktop app, go to File, then Export, choose PDF, and save it. Now you can email or upload that PDF anywhere, and the recipient will see exactly what you see, but they won't be able to edit your notes. In some versions, you'll also find Send a Copy or Email Page in the Share menu. That option sends the page's content directly instead of granting notebook access, which is great when you just need to hand off information quickly. For the fastest, no-file method, simply copy and share the page content. Select the text and images you want, copy them, and paste into an email, a chat, or a document. This is perfect for quick updates, and you stay in control of what you're sharing. Just double-check that everything you need is selected, especially if your page includes images, tables, or pasted files. To wrap up, choose sharing the notebook when collaboration is ongoing, exporting to PDF when you need a read-only snapshot, or copying and pasting when speed and simplicity matter most. That way, you'll share exactly what you intend, with the level of access that makes sense for your workflow.